Hi students, today we are starting our next topic, that is chromosomal disorder. Chromosomal disorder is caused due to absence or excess of abnormal arrangement of one or two chromosomes. These two disorders are aneuploidy and polyploidy. When baby will be affected from these disorders, he will be like that. You can see on the screen, that is growth failure, mental retardation, flat back of the head, you can see how head is ears, then loops on fingertips, palm are creased means broken palms, spatial skin, ridge pattern, ridges means so many lines are there, unilateral or bilateral absence of one rib, ribs are divided into one or two parts, intestinal blockage, umbilical hernia, this is the disorder of intestine, abnormal pelvis, this lower abdominal portion, diminished muscle tone, muscles are in different manner, broad flat face, you can see how it is, slanting eyes, epicanthic eye fold, eye folds are in very dangerous manner, short nose, short and broad hands, small and arched palate, palate inside the mouth, we have studied in the 11th standard, soft palate and hard palate, so this is divided, big wrinkled tongue, dental anomalies means dental arrangement is not in proper manner, congenital heart means congenital heart disease means this heart disease he is getting from previous generation, enlarged colon and big toes widely spaced, there is the gap between toe and fingers. These all symptoms will be visible in these two disorders. Now aneuploidy, failure or segregation of chromatids during cell division result in the gain or loss of the chromosome, and this is known as Down syndrome. Now Down syndrome, presence of additional copy of chromosome, first described by Langdon Down in 1866. Symptoms, affected individual is short-heighted as we saw on the picture, small round head, furrowed tongue, partially opened mouth, palm is broad. Now you can see here how chromosomal arrangement, you can see 1, 2, 3 to 23rd. This is 23rd pair of chromosome, that is known as the sex chromosome, and rest all are autosomes. You can see different places पे how chromosomal arrangement is there, some places it is 2, some places they are 3, and this is also abnormality of the sex chromosome. Now polyploidy, failure of cytokinesis after telophase stage of cell division result in increase in whole set of chromosome. Cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm, and it is a collection of many diseases symptoms together. An example, Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. Let us start with Turner syndrome. Due to absence of one X chromosome, that is 22nd pair of chromosome, 22 pair of chromosomes are normal and 23rd pair of chromosome is with XO. Symptoms, these type of females are sterile, sterile means they are not able to reproduce, as ovaries are rudimentary, rudimentary means they are very small with lack of secondary sexual characters. Now we will see here, you can see this is the 23rd pair of chromosome, how rest of the chromosomes are present, and this is, you can see in what manner this chromosome is there. It is showing the loss of second sex chromosome. Klinefelter syndrome. Due to presence of an individual copy of X chromosome resulting in karyotype, and karyotype is simply a picture of person's chromosome which is of 47, that is XXY. Now symptoms. The individuals have overall masculine development, that is male characteristics. However, the feminine development is also expressed. Individuals are sterile. They are not able to reproduce. You can see this is 23rd pair of chromosome in what manner. As you can see. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.